Hi children, Happy New Year. എന്തുകൊണ്ടും നല്ലൊരു പുതുവർഷമായി തീരട്ടെ. Today I am going to talk again something very interesting. That means, it is this book. This book അറിയാം. Class 8 Math. Hello chapter in the mensuration, page number 115. Volume of a cube, cuboid and cylinder. Class 8 from here, we are studying this one, volume. And another one before that we can see surface area. Look here, we can see in mensuration, same chapter. That means surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. That means page number 108. 108. This book you can see. Chapter, mensuration chapter. Here is the base. Page number 108, please read that. After that, you can see in class 9. That means here is the book, class 9. CBSE, I'm talking about CBSE. Math. Class 9 maths, the mathematics. Okay. Now here also in this book, surface areas and volumes. Page number 137. Same concept they are telling, they are talking. See, we have already studied the surface areas of cube, cuboid and cylinder. We will now study the surface area of cone. New thing, cone, then volume concept is coming. Now after that, we can see here, this chapter, what it is a math, class 10. Here, page number 161, surface areas and volume. You will think that why again repeating? It is not repetition. They are starting the chapter. From class 9, you are familiar with some of the solid like cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Now we are going to study some surface areas of a and volume, a combination of solid. Solid, 3 dimension. Everything I will try to show you. Now look here. Here one thing from class 8 onwards we can see. That means here is a box. Here is a box. You can see a box. Like this also, like this. Anywhere you can put the box. Here, I asked many students, what is the difference between areas and surface area? I am very sorry to inform you, answer was not satisfied. I am not happy in class 9 or class 10. So please, I don't want that confusion. Surface area. We can say area of a circle. Look here. You can see a circle. It's a circle. Area of a circle. That means this part. Area of a circle. We have the beautiful formula. That means pi r square. That is area of a circle. This is area of a circle. Then perimeter of circle, that means circumference of the circle, 2 pi r. Circumference, this length, 2 pi r. Many videos I explain that. Yes. Now what I want to tell you, surface area. Here it is a plane figure. So circle is a plane figure. Now we are coming to the 3 dimension of that. Look here. Here you can see this is a sphere. We know sphere. If we are putting the thread like that here, we will get 4 circle. 4 circle in that experiment is there in math lab, you can see. So this is pi r square. So here this is surface area, a solid. It is 4 pi r square. In detail, we can study that. What I want to talk, that means here you can see circles. See, circle here, circle here. A circle, area of a circle, but surface area of a cylinder. You can see. Look, the cylinder, surface area of a cylinder. A cylinder has how many faces? 1, 2, 3 faces. Look here. That is what I want to tell you about area. Surface area means that is connected area of all faces. 1, 2, and 2 circles. And here I can see the curved surface area. I don't want any confusion. Cylinder is very important. So you understood what is the difference between area and surface area. Here we can see you are in the room. Like this, in a room you are. You can see how many faces. Okay, it is no rectangle. You are in a not a rectangle. Rectangle means this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Plain figure rectangle. Now, okay, fine. You can see one rectangle here. The base I am putting like this. This box. It has 6 faces. Small concept I am talking about. 1, 2, same. 3, 4, same. And here one face is that you can see 5, 6. This cuboid, I can say cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Now here we can see base and top. Here look, all of you look your room. Yes, it is a cuboid. You are in a cuboid now. Here we know this is length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Look here corner, length of the room, breadth of the room, and height of the room. Now look here. Here H is the. What is the area of this rectangle? L into B. What is the area of this rectangle? L into B. Same thing. That means LB plus LB, that is over 2LB. Now come to here. This face, here, your face. This is L and this is height. LH. This also LH, here also LH. LH plus LH, 2LH. Now one more pair is the here. Here BH. Here also B into H. That means I want to find out the total surface area of a cuboid. That means we study the 6 faces are the 2 faces are same. 3 pairs of same faces. That means 6 faces. Yes. So area of LB 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. We are getting the beautiful formula. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB plus B into H plus what is here? Here is this HL. L into H. That is cyclic. That is the formula for surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area. That means TSA one. We can see TSA total surface area. Now, what is the area of 4 walls? Okay, sir, look here, wall. 6 meter, 5 meter, 4 meter, suppose. Find out area of 4 walls because I want to, or your father want to, or you are in the classroom. You are in the room now, yes? So we have to paint the 4 walls of the room. That you have a beautiful formula. No base, no top. Total surface area minus you can do. Don't use that. You can use this matter. But here we are getting a beautiful formula. Very beautiful. Excellent formula. CBSE also Not stressing that, I don't know why. Anyway, we are getting the formal area of 4 walls. So this is the lateral surface area. Here, this is the lateral surface area. That means if it is a prism. Don't confuse prism in science. I know prism is the triangular prism, light. But prism in mass, prism is top and bottom, same. If it is a circle, it's a circular prism. Here, same base. You can see same base. And see, same. No, I'm talking about this part. Not cone, not cone. Prism, base, and top is same. That is the prism. That means everywhere may be polygon. If it is a rectangle, it is a rectangle. If it is a, what I can say, it's a triangle, triangle. It depends upon the shape. Square prism is the, that means cube. Okay. So please, my dear children, please. Perimeter of the base into height. That is the LSA of a prism. Cuboid is prism. Cube is a prism. Cylinder is a prism. Cylindrical prism. So, perimeter of the base into height. That is the LSA or curved surface area or area for walls of your room. That means 2 into L plus B. This perimeter of the base. We know the base is rectangle. 2 into L plus B, the formula you know. 2L plus B into height. 2 into L plus B, sir. Perimeter into height. That is the formula for lateral surface area of any prism. Look here. Yes, sir. Perimeter of the base into height. That is the curved surface area. Lateral. This is a circle. Cannot look in the top. Base perimeter into height. H. What is the perimeter of this one? What is the circumference? 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r into h. That is the LSA of a prism. LSA of the cylinder. Got it? After that, we can manipulate total surface area. If you want total surface area, okay, that is why you are getting the formula. You can see here. LSA we got here. 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. This pi r square. This is pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r h into 2 pi r square. 2 pi r we can take outside common. H plus r. It is there in the whiteboard. I will show you that. Anyway, what I am telling something. Remember the formula. Base perimeter into height is the CSA or LSA or area of 4 walls of your classroom. Got it? I think class A is something that all like this. Lateral surface area or area of 4 walls of your classroom. It is there, I think. It is there. Only one language they use, but in either book, maybe IGCSE, maybe American system, very nicely they are stressing this. Prism, don't confuse. Here we can see. Yes. Page number 109, class 8. The side wall, the faces, excluding the top and bottom, make a lateral surface area of the cuboid. The total area of the all 4 walls of the cuboid room in which you are sitting is the lateral surface area of the room. 2 into L plus B into H. Perimeter into height. They are not talking about perimeter into height. Please, my dear children, please note that. Perimeter into height. Here we can see 170, page number 107. We know that the volume of a cuboid can be found by finding the product of area, base, and its height. See? Area of the base into height, that is another one, that is volume. Can we find the volume like that? So, volume of a prism, area of a prism, that means base perimeter into height is the curved surface area of a prism. That another one, let me expand that. Let me expand. Here we are very clear that Every formula I will give you. Cuboid, perimeter into height, 2L plus B into H. 2 into L plus B, bracket, into H. Cube, you are also prism. What is the base perimeter? Yes, 4 into side. What is the height? Side, 4 into side, 4 side square or 4A square. I'm not talking total surface area, lateral surface area. If you want total surface area, add A square, again A square. Now, come to this one. And I told you, circle here. Pi r square, no, 2 pi r. Don't confuse 2 pi r into H. That is the, what I can say, lateral surface area of the cylinder. If you want total surface area, 2 pi r square you can add. Now, listen here. I want to talk about the volume. If any confusion is there, you can ask me. Volume. Please write volume of a prism. See, you can see this is a prism. This is a prism. Yes, you are a prism. Base. A very box. Prism. Now here you can see. Okay, fine. There is the cube. Yes, sir, same. That means is a prism. Base, perimeter, A, 4 side into, is also side. 4 side square. Total surface area we know. 6A square, 6 side square. Okay. Now, let me manipulate again. Many prisms are here. Here, I want the volume. Sir, any formula like this? Yes. CSA, we studied formula. Here also one more formula. The volume is very easy, my dear children. Not like surface area, but only the here you have confusion. That means if you are cutting half hemisphere, volume, volume is same, but surface area, question is coming from there. 4 pi r square divided by 2 pi r square, but the hemisphere surface area, that means 3 pi r square. You know, I will forget that is why. Listen hemisphere. Listen here, all. This is a sphere. I am cutting into 2 parts. That means hemisphere. This is a sphere. Sphere has one face. That means only one face, 4 pi r square. Your orange or apple. If you are cutting that, you will get 2 like this. Here, red color or something like that, or lemon or apple, whatever be that. So only I am talking about not column. Listen here. Yes, sir, it is 4 pi r square. One question is the CBSE last year also, before also that. 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square divided by 2, that means 2 pi r square. But it is 3 pi r square. A sphere has one face, but a hemisphere has 2 faces. One is the circle, and other is the, what I can say, curved surface area. It is very nice. Please think. One face only. Don't say a sphere has no faces, one face. That is means curved surface area only. Curved surface area means total surface area of a sphere. A sphere has one surface area, one surface. That means one face. Total surface area. That is curved surface area. But a hemisphere has 2 faces. One is the circle and other is the curved surface area. Total surface area of hemisphere is not 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square? 3 pi r square, all of you listen here. So 3 pi r square plus 3 pi r square, you are adding, you are getting the sphere. 3 pi r square plus 3 pi r square means 6 pi r square. Am I right? Yes. 3s plus 3s, 6x. But total surface area of a sphere is not 6 pi r square. That is 4 pi r square. CBSE question. Tell me why. Yes, if you are joining that, you can see. Look here now. No more circle. Look, circle is not needed. It is a sphere. Think about the lemon. Think about the apple. You are joining that. That part is not that. That is inside. So it is the answer for pi r square. Okay. Now, general formula. I'm talking about general formula. Listen. I want the volume. Write the formula. Believe me, base area into height. Anything you can do. Prism, I am talking about this prism. What is the base area? Length into breadth, rectangle. LBH. Got it? Length into breadth into height. LBH. There is no confusion. Base area into height. Now listen. What about this? What is the base area for this cube? Side square. A square. This is also side. All sides are equal. Adjust. We know sides. All sides are equal. Adjust, I can say. Corners are here. Vertices. Now, here, a square into a cube. Clear? Yes, a cube. That is the volume of a cube. Yes, base area into height. Now come to this one. This is a cylinder. Look, what is the volume of the cylinder? It's a prism. Yes. What is base area? Sir, it is a circle. Circle, you can see here, circle. Circle. Pi r square. Pi r square into h. Pi r square h. Correct or not? Pi r square h. This is the volume. How much water it can hold. How much sugar, how much water. Okay. So, remember the formula. If it is a prism, right? Volume of a prism is equal to area of the base into height. Got it? Okay. If it is a prism again, first we studied LSA, lateral surface area of curved surface area of prism is equal to perimeter of the base into height. Yes, sir, it is correct. 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circle perimeter circumference. 2 pi r h is the lateral surface area. That is the area of 4 walls of my classroom or my room. And here everything it is correct for a prism. And volume is easy. Volume concept, area of the base into height. Clear? Now listen here. One more concept I you understood. Look, there is no confusion, I think so. Everywhere. Circle, no, sorry, it is a cylinder. Cylinder, I want to talk about cone, that is why cylinder. We are cutting 1/3, you are getting a cylinder like this. Now, how can you find out? This is the math lab. You know, my chapter is my the math lab. This is math lab from the laboratory. Look here. This is the wrap this one. Wrap your cylinder. You can do this experiment. Wrap it. Now unfold it. You are getting a rectangle. Now look here. This was the cylinder. Correct? This was the cylinder. You want lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means this one. Lateral surface cylinder. That is this rectangle. What is the rectangle? Area of a rectangle, you can see. L into B, right? Area of a rectangle, you can see. Here you can see. L into B. This is L. I wrote here. This is our 2 pi here. This is the circle. Circumference circle, that means length of the circle, or perimeter circle, that is L, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Then L into B. Length into breadth is the area of a rectangle. L into B. What is B? H. L is equal to 2 pi r. L is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r into H. That is why lateral surface area of this cylinder. It is there in class 8, class 9 also. It is the cylinder. Every school they are showing this, I think so. 2 pi r H. Here you can see cylinder we can cut into two circles, one circle here, one circle here. Here is lateral surface area. This is 2 pi r H. This is it. This one 2 pi r H. And here one circle. Here another circle. So here I can see this is the total surface area. Correct? This is it. Two circle. Here is one circle. Here is another circle. This is what I am showing you. Look. This is the cylinder. 2 pi r H plus 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So what I am taking out? 2 pi r I am taking out. Here it is. 2 pi r. 2 pi r into H plus r. You are getting the formula for total surface area TSA. This is a laboratory activity assignment. 2 pi r square, 2 pi r into H plus r, 2 pi r H. There is no confusion, I think. I will forget. That's why I am showing this. Now, please, many things we told. Actually, I want to talk about cone. Cone, you know, this is a circle. If you are cutting some part from the circle, because you are getting a cone. This is a cone. Circle, cut. The circle, you know, it is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. But what is happening for that radius? Listen here, beautiful. The radius will be not H. For cone, we are always talking one L is L or L koduthalana cone nu parayum. Cone a little bit hard. That is the L. Slant height. This is the vertex. This is the circle. But don't think this circle and this circle are same. No. Radius of this circle is not the radius of this cone. Cone radius is small. If it is 10 centimeter, it will be maybe 8 centimeters, something, because smaller circle. You are cutting some part. You are making cone. Understand? Look, my cone. Cone. But I like cone. But some of you don't like, because Pythagoras theorem H is coming. L is equal to S square plus R square. Root of L is equal to root of S square plus R square. L square is equal to S square plus R square. We had to find out. Anyway, don't worry about that. We will do that. After that, we can see this is the what? Okay, radius and what is this? Slant height. I explain slant height. See, when you are putting, suppose if you are making a cone, same base and same height. This is pi r square H by 3, but this is pi r square H, because pi r square base area into height. But it is not a prism. Pi r square H by 3. Another cone was here, but I don't know which school I left. I would have a cherry. Cone and I. Okay, no problem. I will try to find out. If you are same base, pi r square H by 3, that is the volume concept talking about. Suppose here 900 ml water is here. We can see 3 cones here. It will be 300 ml. 900 divided by 3. If you are putting water or we are putting something, here it will be 3 times. Suppose this is 100, 100, 100, 100, 300. So what we study the volume of the cone. Here we can see in your textbook also combination of figure. Class 10 I am talking about Well, very clearly they are talking about volume. Sorry, class 9. Class 10 combination they are talking about. For combination also volume, no confusion. For total volume will be equal. Here, this experiment I show this one, and cone. So you can see you can cut. You are getting the formula pi RL, the cone surface area pi RL. Then here I explain this one. How we got 4 pi r square. നമ്മള് ചരട് കെട്ടുക പമ്പരമൊക്കെ അല്ലേ റൗണ്ട് ആയിരിക്കണം. It will be 3, 4, 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. അത്ര ഓർത്താൽ മതി. That is why I explained 2 pi r square. Curve surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. And total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. Remember the avarna question. Page number 143. Then this is what I showed now. Maybe your school showed this one. കാണിച്ചിരുന്നില്ല അവരോട് കാണിച്ചു തരാൻ പറയാം. കോൺ ഉണ്ടാവും സ്കൂളിൽ, ലാബ് ഉണ്ടാവും, മാത്ത് ലാബിൽ ഉണ്ടാവും. പ്ലീസ് ടെൽ ദം 3 times. സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വാങ്ങാൻ പറ്റും. Okay, understand that this experiment I show this one. Here we can see here same base, same area. That means circle same height is same. Then only ഏതെങ്കിലും കോൺ എടുത്തൊരു കാര്യമില്ല. Pi r square h by 3, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, I think you understood. Now please let me share some here, some formula, something what I explained. Now please look here, all of you please. Sorry. Yes, we can see here. Okay, surface area, volume, class 8, 9, 10. Time is running, I think so. Listen here. You can see. Surface area and volume, class 8, 9, and 10. 8 I told you cuboid, cube, then cylinder. Here, what I explained is right circular cylinder. We are doing cylinder, right circular only. Here is the height. This is the radius. So, area of bases 2 pi r square. That means 2 circle, 2 pi r square. CS at 2 pi r h. I told you base. Here you can write base perimeter into height. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. That means this also we can make this one. Here what I told. Look. 2 pi r h CSA. 2 pi r h. That means base perimeter into height. Base perimeter into height. Am I right or not? Into height. Base perimeter into height. Yes, base perimeter into height. Base is a circle. 2 pi r perimeter, circumference circle into it. Now TSM is 2 pi r plus 2 pi r square. That means 2 pi r we can take outside. 2 pi r, here 2 pi r I'm taking out. And h is there. Here from r square, r into r, h plus r. That is the TSA. 2 pi r into h plus r. Volume, there is no confusion. Pi r square h. Yes, sir. Pi r square means base area. All of you write this one. Base area into height. Simple thing. In CBSE book, you cannot see that it is there. In IGCSE, they are doing like this. So, CBSE question is there. Find the base perimeter. If the curved surface area is 1000 and height is 10, you can find it very fast. Because CSA, base perimeter into height perimeter, you can find out there. No need to look in another one. It's also same thing. Can you think about question? Find the base perimeter of the cylinder whose height is 10 and curved surface area is 1000. The first you can find it. We know base perimeter into height. Base perimeter is equal to CSA by height. That means 1000 by 10. That is 100 centimeter square. Unit is square, centimeter, square meter. And volumes, cubic meter or liter, cubic centimeter, something. That also we studied before. Remember, 1 meter cube is equal to 1 meter into meter into meter. That means if you want centimeter cube, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter cube. Square also we know why that. Now, I think you understood this one. Base area into height. Now, write circular cone. Listen, cone. I told you L is the. I showed you the cone. Here, the cone. Here, inside H and here R, L square, Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to H square plus R square. From that, you are getting L. From here, you are getting L. L is equal to root of H square plus R square. After that, we can find out H is equal to R is equal to, that is simple algebra. No need of by heart thinking. Understand things. Please don't by heart. So from here, H is equal to root of L square minus R square. R is equal to root of L square minus H square. Here H you want, L and R. Transpose. That is all. Now, as he has said, a cone, pi r into L. Here, you had to study this one. Pi r into L. Remember, 2 pi r h was the base, what is can say, the CSA of a cylinder. But here, 2 pi r, no, because one circle only. Pi r L instead of H, L. Remember like this. After that, TSA is equal to pi r into pi r L plus pi r square. Pi r you can take outside, then you can manipulate decimal. We see here what I want to say. Volume of a cone, volume of a cylinder, pi r square h. Here it is 1/3. That means pi r square h by 3. Understand? Here, what I am talking, the base perimeter and height is same. That experiment I gave you assignment. The textbook it is there. But whatever be the cone, pi r square h by 3. Here r is same. That is why pi r. Remember that pi r square h, the volume of the cylinder. If you are cutting the cylinder ഇവിടൊക്കെ കട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ഒരു കോണായി വരുന്നത്. Yes, that is why. In the volume, it will be 1/3. If it is 300, it will be 100 pi r square h. Here pi r square h 300. Suppose then saying cone from here we are getting a cone. For making a cone, what do we do? What do we have to? Let me try. You had to cut. Understand? Here also we can cut here this part. This is C1. This much you are cutting. Here we are cutting. That means pi r square h by 3. By circular cone, we are cutting, we are getting a cone. That means here 1 by 3, here 1 by 3. That means, look, 3 part we are cutting here. So pi r square h by 3. We are cutting the cone. If whatever be that, he will cut it. We can cut and make it. Even solid the body എടുത്തു 3 parts ആയിരിക്കും. 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3. This also 1 by 3. That means pi r square h 1 by 3 pi r square h 1 by 3 pi r square h by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 pi r square h. That means the base area must be same circle and height also. Remember, for cylinder, no L is there. For cone, L is there. L will be longer, larger than H because it is hypotenuse. It is hypotenuse be the largest side. Okay, it will be the highest. It will be the low. Now, Again, come to, I think, cuboid before we studied. Now sphere. Sphere, remember that volume, not TSA. Sphere has one face, that means total surface area 4 pi r square. Experiment I showed you. Then volume, there is no confusion. 4 pi r cube by 3 by 3 is there. 4 is there. When a circle pi r square, circle to sphere, circle to sphere. This is a circle. You know that is a circle. A circle. There is no confusion. Pi r square. How many circles we are getting? 4 circles. That means 4 pi r square. We are 2 only. Hemisphere. This is the sphere. See, you can see here. 4 pi r square. Remember 4 circle. We are പമ്പറൊക്കെ കളിക്കുമ്പോഴല്ലേ ചരട് കുത്തുന്നു അതുമാതിരി റൗണ്ട് പമ്പർ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. മാത്ത് ലാബിലുണ്ടാവും. Now 4/3 pi r cube. At the remembering, please. 4 is there for sphere and 4/3 pi r cube. The volume means cube, pi r cube, pi r square. So please manipulate like this. We are starting with area of a circle. Circle, pi r square, area of a circle. That means pi r square. Then what do we have? 4 pi r square. Then 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, got it? 4 pi r square. Pi r square. 4 pi r square. 4/3 pi r cube. Remember like that. Any technique you can use for remembering. I told you before. Any technique doesn't matter. Now look here. One more. Hemisphere. This is what most interesting. I told you hemisphere. Cutting into 2 pi r square. Hemisphere. TSA. Here. Yeah, we have hemisphere here. This is the hemisphere. It is not hollow, full. It is solid, like a piece of lemon, like this hemisphere. Here is the circle. Then 2 pi r square, sir, why? That is why I told you. It was sphere before we studied. It is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. This is 4 pi r square, yes? Correct. This is what I am writing here. Here it is 4 pi r square. This is the 4 pi r square. All of you listen, please. So this one I am talking about sphere. Sphere, that is equal to 4 pi r square. You want hemisphere? Oh yeah, this is a hemisphere. So that is 4 pi r square by 2. That means 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. No, my dear children. Hemisphere, what I can say, hemisphere has 2 faces. Sphere has 1 face, but hemisphere has 2 faces. Understand? 2 faces. Cutting an apple, I told you many times, 2 faces. 2 pi r square this is half of the sphere, this curved surface area. And here we can see one thing here. Look, circle is there. This is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Plus pi r square. That is what we did, 3 pi r square. Remember that, okay? Hemisphere has 2 faces, but a circle has 1 face. That is the total surface area of circle. Now listen here. Here 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square, not 4 pi r square. We study 3 pi r square. Yes, 3 pi r square plus 3 pi r square. 6 pi r square. No. Here these 2 circles, when you are joining inside this one red color, it is no more. See, it is falling like this. No more. Understand? This is a circle. I think you understood the concept. ഇത് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. ചില സ്കൂൾ ഇത് കാണിക്കുന്നില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഇത് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. Listen, 2 pi r square. Children told me no idea. Class 8, class 9, class 10 എല്ലാം കാണിക്കണം. Okay then. Now listen. Last but not the least, what I can say here. Look. This is what I want to talk. Listen here. All of you, please take the screenshot or write this one. Cone. Pi RL. CSA of a cone. Pi RL. And TSA. Pi RL plus pi R square. Volume pi R square H by 3. I think you can see that. Yes. Pi RL. Pi R square H by 3. 1 by 3 pi R square means pi R square H by 3. Now cylinder CSA 2 pi RH. Here what I told, CSA, curve surface area of LSA, no problem. Base perimeter and height, 2 pi R into H. Base perimeter into height. Here, total surface area, curve surface area plus 2 pi R square. Then volume pi R square H. Understand? So remember, cylinder CSA, base perimeter into height. I wrote it before. Here, then after the sphere, no CSA, TSA, 4 pi R square. Here you have one face only. Understand? You have phases. Sphere has one face, 4 pi R square. Then the volume, 4 by 3 pi R cube. The hemisphere, correct, 2 pi R square. That is lateral surface area, CSA of a hemisphere. But total surface area, 3 pi R square. And hemisphere, this is 4 pi R square, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by, listen here. You can see here. Here, 4 by 3 pi R cube is the sphere. So, hemisphere, what we can say? We want this one divided by 2. 4 by 3, here 4 by 3 into 2 divided by 2. That means 4 by 2, that means 2 by 3, correct? This 4 and 2 we can cut. 2, this formula, 2 by 3 pi R cube, we got the formula. Correct now? 2 by 3 pi R cube. Then after that, 2 by 3 pi R cube, we got the same thing, 2 by 3 pi R cube. Cube, 4a square, 6a square, a square. Volume of the cube, a cube, not square. A cube. Side cube. Then cuboid, 2h into L plus B, 2 into L, LH plus BH plus LB, LBH, base perimeter into height. That means base area into height. For cube, don't confuse with the formula. L is the, B is the, H is the. So what we can say? 2 into 2 side, L into B, B into H, B into H, LB, L into B in the cyclic, B into H plus H into L, same thing. Remember like LBH in an order, remember this is H, LBH, LB, BH, HL, this is the order. Okay, I think all of you understood this one. So, please study this formula, all of you. Tomorrow we will study surface area and combination of solid surface area. From this combination, we will study more thing. I will explain. If you have any doubt, please call me. In math lab, you know, everything is there. I am this Teen Math Lab. Teenage Mathematics Laboratory, Teen Math Lab. Please subscribe that and see the video. Okay then. Thank you. Bye-bye.